I don't know how long this GoPro gonna record, but I got a few more worms. But I've been out here fishing, and I know it's gonna be some mad jokers, because yesterday we came and we didn't do so well. But today I caught about a pound size bass. Every time I watch a fishing show, a lot of people try to stay away from largemouth bass. I don't understand that, because here in Virginia, where I'm from, we eat the hell out of them damn largemouth bass. They ain't never made none of us sick or nothing like that. It's a trophy fish, but I don't think it eats anything that is really bad. So, I mean, I eat largemouth. I was watching a show, some guy, he's a cook on YouTube, and he said he was looking for spotted bass. Like, it's not much different. They live in the same habitat. So, I mean, that's just a question I might have to raise up out of here, y'all. The rain's getting a little crazy. Yeah, the rain's getting a little crazy. Something was eating that. And I don't want to get sick, so. I mean, but they're biting though. these little jokers be acting like they superstars out there. I got one bass. I'm trying to see if one more gonna try to slide through. That's why I'm braving this weather. I don't know, but it seems to me like the bigger fish are a little further out, but a lot of times they do snug up to the bank. But I'm getting some bites out there about a third of the way out. But they are all little small things, y'all. I got plenty of worms to feed them right now.